In this video, I will explain solving a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. In this particular equation, a is 4, b is 7, and c is 3. For us to solve a quadratic equation, we separate the left hand side and the right hand side. So we start with the left hand side, which is 4x squared plus 7x plus 3. Now we factorize the left hand side of the equation. Simply we factorize the expression 4x squared plus 7x plus 3 by using a method called product and sum. We think of two numbers. When we multiply them, we get a times c, which is 4 times 3, and that is 12. And when we add them, we get 7, which is the coefficient of x. The next question is, how do we get these two numbers? There is no one formula to get the two numbers, but we can use the product to get the two numbers. The product is 12. We list down the factors of 12. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, etc. From these factors, we can get the two numbers. And particularly, the two numbers are, for this equation, 3 and 4. Because when we add 3 and 4, we get 7. And when we multiply 3 and 4, we get 12. So after that, we go back to our expression and replace the middle term 7x with the two numbers accompanied by the variable x. So our new expression will be 4x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 3. At this point, we are going to subdivide the expression into two equal halves, 2 terms on this side and 2 terms on the other side. We identify what is common on the left side, that is 4x, and we're going to have in the bracket x plus 1. Also, the right hand side plus 3 is common, and then we copy the first bracket once we get what's common on the right side, and that is x plus 1. Now, the similar brackets, we take one of them, and what is outside the brackets, we combine them together to form a new bracket, and then include the right hand side, which is 0. From there, we take one of the brackets and equate 0. So either x plus 1 equals 0, therefore x equals to -1, or 4x plus 3 equals 0, 4x equals to -3, x equals to -3/4. In a quadratic equation, we must get two values of x, which we call the roots of the equation.